Hi, it's Angie again. And in the last episode, my dad went back to the Philippines and reunited with my mom after 5 years. He has also invited three best friends to join him, and their first trip is to Biliran Island. And for the four lolos, grandpas, that is quite an exciting trip.
Åge og fikk lov å bli med så lenge jeg ville, men jeg ville bare 2 uker. De savna meg sikkert veldig når jeg reiste.
As they stayed in Biliran for a few hours, they are ready to go back to Bohol. They rent a taxi from Tagbilaran City to Ormoc City, staying in Hotel Don Felipe until their departure. Now they wait at a crowded terminal for the ferry. Here is a blast from the past of a ferry trip my parents took. Welcome to Bohol, to a home that is full of memories. After leaving this home to another, it hasn't been maintained often. When they came, there was no running water or working toilet, and the ceiling leaked. But it's never too late to bring it back to its tip-top shape. Here is our macaque monkey, rescued from an uneducated catcher. Don't worry, animal lovers, a bigger cage for her is being built. As for setting her free, well, she was, but she came back to us. Our home in its earliest state in 2004, when Dad had just bought the property. He put in a lot of money and paid for a lot of workers. And here are some pictures from my childhood. And the piano exercises, which I really hated sometimes. Poor Per urgently needed a dentist for experiencing pain in his teeth, but he is recommended to wait until he's back in Cebu. Well, spoil the day. They drive to Alona Beach in Panglao Island, a 1-hour drive away. When they arrived, they rented an outrigger to Balikasag Island.
nok normal, Roger. Normal høyde på stemmen din, så jeg kan få noe god opptak her.
The locals sell their homemade trinkets.
Ja, vi ser hvordan det går.
The group are too lazy to walk around the island, but they take a dangerous walk through the jungle. Kidding. The only animals here are goats and pigs.
Og der skulle vi bade. Og det kunne vi gjerne gjøre, men da måtte vi ha med guide og betale 300 peso. Så jeg tjuvbada ved 3 anledninger. Så
Now it's back to Alona Beach.
Så det har vært enestående. Vi har også funnet oss vår lille stamkafé, som heter Trudy. Der får vi altså en full amerikansk eller engelsk frokost for den svimlende sum av 50 norske kroner.
In the next episode, please join us to this wonderful and exciting tourist spot. There's bathing, good food, boat trips, and swimming among the coral reefs.